Fancy a journey through time? Let's uncover the Renaissance suite in Ferrara, a sanctuary of elegance and history. Nestled in the vibrant heart of Ferrara, the Renaissance suite is part of the exclusive Santa Emilia collection. Imagine staying in a room adorned with stunning frescoes attributed to the master artist Biagio Rossetti. Yes, you heard that right. This suite perfectly marries historical charm with modern comforts. Revel in its details while soaking in the ambience of the Renaissance era. And when you step outside, you're just a stone's throw away from iconic landmarks like Castello Estense and Palazzo dei Diamanti. Whether you're an art lover, a history buff, or simply in need of a posh retreat, the Renaissance suite offers an immersive experience that's second to none. So what are you waiting for? Dive into Ferrara's rich heritage and let the Renaissance suite be your elegant home away from home. Book your stay today and make history come alive. Cheers to a journey through time.